Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into exciting tutorial how to design an entertainment show thumbnail in Photoshop. Start by creating a new canvas and apply a dark gradient background to give your design a cinematic base. Important, your main host calibrate image and use selective subject to remove the background. Enhance lighting with canvas and brightness contrast adjustment for spotlight feel, and add a soft rim light around the subject using the outer glow effect. Insert lens flare or bokeh overlays to create entertainment vibe. Use bold typography like Waves New for the show title. Add